What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man, and yet we on the move again, man. We're on the move again, but y'all see by the thumbnail, Dolo is done already. Man, DJ, I told y'all, man, he turned to a lightning strike. Showtime, transmission done it again, man. So we headed to go pick Dolo up, bring him back to the stable, man. Add him back to the stable, bring him back home. That's what we doing, man. So I left the trailer hooked up, cause I have used this trailer every day of the week so far. For real. So I just left it hooked up. But after today, I should be done, man. I should be done after today, cause man, we've been rolling non-stop, man. And today even busier. Between the cars and vlogging for y'all and stuff. But still running the JMalcom 2004 side of things too. Hey, it been crazy. I've been working like crazy, man, for real. Really been going in, man. But that's what it take. That's what it take, man. You want to win in life and stuff, you got to go hard. Ain't no days off. I mean, when you want to take a day off, you take a day off though. That's the beauty of it. But I mean, when you're in that mode, man, you gotta keep it going. So we finna head to go pick this up and see what's to it. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We get all right, y'all. Got Dolo loaded back up. And how about, man, I get Dolo loaded up. My boy Jesse done hit me. And said he got the exhaust. Man, he ain't say he showed it. Boy, it looks so pretty, man. He got the exhaust. He got the new exhaust system already completed, done, ready to be bolted up. But we got a problem. We got a huge, gigantic problem. I'm gonna tell y'all when we get to the house, but just stay tuned. I'm telling you, we got a problem right here. We got a problem, man. But I got it loaded up, pull it up on there. But we got a problem. I'm not capping with y'all. I said, hey. But I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get to the house. And tell y'all what's the plan, what's going on, all that good stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna check back in. Right back at the house. Got Dolo unloaded. About to cover it up, man, cause y'all see this time I ain't turning around, cause I'm gonna have to have that thing just like this, man. I'm gonna have to have it just like this for tomorrow, cause at least that's my plan for tomorrow. But I'm gonna tell y'all what done happened. The engine got to come out. I told y'all we got a major problem. Engine got to come out, man. This is not a game. It wasn't an engine failure. It wasn't an engine failure. Now, maybe somebody already done commented and caught what it is. I don't know at the time of the video. I'm just gonna see. If somebody didn't, and now with me saying it, maybe somebody already know what caused it, or what I'm about to say. But DJ called me, said, I got you ready. We got a problem. I said, what is it? Said it's a little tapping. It's tapping down at this net, man. He said I think you might got a bearing or something. He said, were you on nitrous? Nah, I wasn't on no nitrous. Haven't over revved the engine. They were out pulling like plenty of oil. He said, seemed like some real fine metal in the oil. Barely can see it, which a sign is good. It's bad, but it's good. I mean, it's caught it good, but caught it early. But I was like, all right, I'm coming down there and see you. So I'm thinking, I'm replaying, like, what happened? I'm like, I never over revved the engine. I got a rev limiter set. I ain't overtacked the engine. I keep oil in it. Like I said, no oil leaks. Don't leak a thing. Oil clean too. Clean, good clean oil. I'm like, what is it? So I'm thinking, when I get down there, he showed me that converter before I showed y'all. And I saw how bad it was. I said, DJ. And when we went up there and crunk it up and I heard it, I said, nah, that joke, that's bottom end. That definitely bottom end. For sure. I had said at first, I told him, I said, maybe I probably need my valves adjusting too, cause it had been a minute. Like I said, it's been 7 months. I ain't adjusted the valve. But he was like, it ain't skipping, Jay. I said, all right, you can't be that then. So then when he crunk it up and we heard it, I said, yeah. It ain't about to jump out the engine, but you can tell it got some bearings. I say some bearings. Now what caused it? And I'm sharing it with y'all. I could have been secretive. Then I told DJ, I said, I gotta see if I'm gonna be secretive or not. But this ain't nothing to be secretive about, cause this can happen to y'all. So I'm telling y'all this as a learning thing for people. And I knew that it can happen. I just never had it happen to me this first time. But it took the thrust. I guarantee it took the thrust bearing out. It took it out. So when that torque converter tore all the pieces and separated all it did, y'all saw it, it bad. When that torque converter tore up, it basically, to put it in simpler terms, it pushed that whole crankshaft forward. You don't supposed to do that. So obviously it pushed that whole crankshaft forward, and then you got an instant problem. So it was just an expensive accident. That's all it was, an expensive accident. Now on the bright side, I caught it early. Cause like I said, this was fine Thursday before the track. It happened Friday. I have not been cranking this car all of that. I cranked it, put it up on the trailer, and DJ tested it, but he didn't hear it till he tested it. But he went right down the street and he stopped. He eased it back, and I cranked it, pulling it off the trailer. So the good thing is it's caught fairly early. I already got it in motion with my secret weapon. I already got it in motion. So I'm gonna get it out. I could take it out today. I just don't feel like I'm being honest with y'all, cause I have been real busy, man. I've been doing a lot of running around. All these vlogs y'all seeing, I don't know what order I'm dropping them in, but all these vlogs y'all have seen or is seen, man, most of it was shot in the same day. Not all of them, but a lot of them was shot in the same day, and it's just I've been that busy. Excuse me. So I just really don't feel like taking it out. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The grind in me like, take it out. But I'm not in that much of a rush. And like I said, if I can patch it, we'll come on back. But if I gotta go back through and refreshing it, which still ain't nothing major, y'all, Dolo, I probably bring it back next month. Being realistic, the end of next month. Cause I just because of the simple fact, I don't want to spend another load of money. I told y'all, some of y'all look at all the vlogs, some of y'all don't. Some of y'all hear everything I say. Some of y'all don't, selective listeners. But if you have heard in the past, I said, I just don't like spending a load of money back to back to back like that. Not that I can't do it. I just don't like doing it. Like when I spend XYZ amount of money, I just naturally like, hey, I want to chill. I ain't buying nothing else. And I done spent like, y'all saw how much I spent on meat. I ain't saying what I done spent, cause I did some more stuff too. But y'all seen how much I spent on meat. You know, we just bought this. I just bought that too. So I'm like, I ain't finna do it. I call my guy, if it's a patch job, let's run it. But if I gotta go refreshing it, which I mean, it still ain't a high ticket like having to buy new parts, cause I know ain't none of my part messed up. I know that for sure. It's something like a bearing. If anything, I probably have to have the crankshaft turn. But if I can patch it and we ain't gotta take the whole thing apart, hey, let's run it. But if we gotta take it all apart, which my secret weapon probably gonna want to, cause he just good. He gonna probably want to be safe. Then I'm gonna tell him, hey, take your time. I'm coming to see you at the end of next month. That way I be done chill. Give me a month. I come see you at the end of next month. Just have it ready. I pick it up, skin them down, and I come put it back in, and be back all pressing. But I know, I tell y'all this for a fact, it won't be down. It won't be down no longer than 40, 50 days. It won't be down that long. So they're fairly quick. I'm cool with that. We got the rest of the fleet going well. I got 2.5. We got 2.5 operational. Brown coat. We got transmission ready to go in brown coat. I just gotta get it down there Showtime, man. So brown coat gonna be fully operational like it's supposed to, and then I'm gonna go get the nitrous put on it. I'm gonna remix the exhaust on R&B. R&B will be done. Then, like I said, Dolo. And it crazy, like I told y'all, Jesse got the exhaust done, man. It looks so good. It looks so good, man, but it's no use putting it on. So when I come back with Dolo, it's gonna be even faster. It's gonna be faster. Cause like I said, we made change in the transmission. Transmission better, it's fresh. I said we laughing. I said, man, we now DJ, we got a fresh transmission and converter, and now I gotta go back in the engine. So we're gonna get the engine. So when we come back, like I said, it's gonna be even faster. Cause I'm not even going to the track. I'm going straight to Lawless, get the new exhaust put on, and we got a brand new valve body and all that, a better valve body, and yeah, then we're gonna let this thing eat for real. Gonna have fresh valve adjustment, all that. It's gonna be all crispy. So that's what it is, y'all. I mean, that's just belly of the beast. That's what happened when you dealing with performance. I mean, it would have happened going down the road, man. It was gonna give away, and the converter had enough. It just had enough, man. But that what happened when you're dealing with performance and you making a decent amount of horsepower. You gonna tear stuff up. It's just that this was an expensive accident. I said it wasn't nothing wrong with my engine. My engine sound crispy. It still got power. It still got amazing oil pressure, and it's barely even metal. Like you can barely see the shavings, which is a good sign. I said I caught it early before it got too bad. So that's why I said Mike can flush and patch it. But this stuff that happened, that's why I'm telling y'all this. Hey, I told y'all I'm one to realist on YouTube. A lot of people would have hid this from y'all and then just made up something. But I'm sharing this with y'all to let you know that this can happen. So if you're making power, don't go cheap on your torque converter and stuff like that. Not that I got a cheap torque converter. I'm just saying, if you one of those people that you making decent power, 450, 5 up like that, and you want to go cheap on your torque converter to try to save some pennies, just know if that torque converter come apart or it decides to break, it can cost you up here in the engine bay too. That's why I'm sharing it with y'all. So one part broke, it caused another problem. So, but it part of it. I mean, I ain't tripping. I ain't mad or nothing. I'm honest to God, I ain't mad, man. I mean, like, hey, it's just that I gotta fix it. I'm just blessed that I'm able to fix it. That's why I ain't mad, man. Like, that's why I don't get mad behind stuff like that. I'm just blessed that God puts me in a position where I can fix this stuff if something happens. So I ain't tripping. But, and I mean, it part of it. I mean, I've been doing it too long, still happen. But that engine, boy, hey, that joker right. That joker right. But we're gonna be back. So look, no Dolo content for about a month. Cause I ain't spending no another bag on this car. I'm on meat. And y'all know what's funny? Man, Dolo, I know you ain't scared cause your big brother about to come back. I know you ain't scared cause your big brother about to come back and maybe bully and push you around and stuff. Hey, Dolo wanna injure himself, man. Dolo wanna injure himself cause his big brother finna come back. Or either he got mad. He got mad cause he saying I spent that bag on his brother. Now he want me to spend some money on him. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. You finna be in the corner on punishment, man. You finna be on punishment for that one. But nah, that's it, man. I mean, ain't nothing else to talk about this vlog. I mean, I'm gonna get the engine out. And I'm gonna get the engine out this week. Just know that the engine will be out this week and gone. It'll be out and gone out of my possession this week. That engine bay will be empty. Y'all be seeing the video. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.